Here we go, preppers. Day 2 of Prime Day. Today's your last day to stock up on all these essential items we must have. And of course, I'll link them all below. Let's jump right into it and see the savings. First off, emergency candles, a big set of them for 20 bucks, 20 candles. Keeps you a little bit warm, gives you some heat, and a beautiful ambiance. Next, a KitchenAid Classic multifunction can opener. These are great. You can have all kinds of can openers, but this one's really easy on the hands and works very well. Or maybe you want to kick it a little bit old school. P38 and 51 military can openers. You can't go wrong with these. And they're perfect for backpacks, get out bags, get home bags, etc. And you will not go wrong with this purchase. It's a dual fuel propane or butane stove with a carrying case. Excellent. I'll also link extra fuel canisters below. This is perfect for those power outages when you simply just need to, cook up some vittles. And to get that fire going, you can't go wrong with a waterproof, windproof electric lighter. These are nice flameless plasma. This is perfect to recharge it using your solar generator, and you can make fires all day long. Or again, kicking a little bit old school, we have another fire starter. This one's going to be flint and steel. Awesome. $6, less than $6, and you can make fires all day long with this too. Just a little bit more work to do it. And for $17, this is great. It's a 30-pack of emergency Mylar blankets. Good for wintertime, obviously. Put them everywhere in your cars. But even during warm weather, it's good. And medically speaking, if someone goes into shock, you want to have one of these blankets handy. So a pack of 30, you can get them and put them everywhere. Or how about this? $15 for a 2-pack of rechargeable electric portable hand warmers. Very neat. Now, we can charge ours with our solar generator, but even just during normal cold weather, perfect to keep your hands nice and toasty. And that goes along also with this little electric space heater. It's not a huge one, not super powerful, but that's good because it'll conserve power. $18 for a 500-watt unit. Nice. I've mentioned this guy on the channel a few times because it's so important. This is a cold weather sleeping bag going down to 0 degrees. Be able to keep warm during those times when you have power outages. You don't want to get caught without this, especially during even down south, we've seen ice storms in the past. And the same goes for $15 for these emergency ponchos, a 4-pack with a Mylar blanket liner also. These are actually pretty durable, by the way, and it's great to be able to keep with you, like in your car, for example, or in a backpack. And I also talk about this on the channel often too. It's a 14-in-1 multi-tool. Excellent, but I love this because it's only $10. And same thing, you can buy lots of these, not only for gifts for everybody, in your family, I'm sure they'd appreciate it, but to be able to keep in your car and your bags and stuff. Very good, nice tool that's very handy. These gloves are best sellers on Amazon, which I can understand why. Work gloves for men and women, $10. I mean, they have it so you can do touch screen for your phone, but more than anything, it has leather on here. We own a few pair of these, and they are fantastic. And I cannot stress enough, you should have fire extinguishers everywhere. Your home, car, kitchen, vehicle, boat, garage. They list them all here. It's a portable ABC K-class fire extinguisher. Here's a 4-pack for only $32. Fantastic. But we also have a 2-pack of 40x40 fire blankets. Great to put out fires very quickly for $15. And here's a 2-pack. This is essential, $26, a 2-pack of smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. I like these because it has a battery in them as a backup. You don't always find that because you want to have it during a power outage. You can still test what's going on. Smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, essential for your house. And that kind of goes along with this next item, a 4-in-1 emergency tool. Specifically, it's a gas and water shut-off tool. You definitely want to have this in case there's some kind of major catastrophe in an area. You can shut off your gas. You don't want your house to burn down. I've mentioned this previously. In fact, I've mentioned it lots of times. I love this item. It's a 6-in-1 pocket knife sharpener. Has a diamond sharpening rod, not to mention a Ferro starter for $8.50. We like to buy these and give them as gifts. They're fantastic. And for everybody who has a nice little 4-legged furry friend, a little fur baby, we have a travel bag. This is great because that way if you need to be able to go somewhere, it keeps all their food and toys and everything else they need in one nice storage tote. I know people will get very grumpy during the apocalypse. It's because they don't have coffee. Well, we can fix that with this aluminum stovetop percolator. Only $12.50 to keep your coffee going during those times when zombies are pounding on your door. I love this item. I love mine. It's a gravity-fed water filter. Pour the dirty water in here. Nice clean water automatically drips down here, so it's practically no effort on your part. But maybe you're out hiking, maybe you're camping, and you simply just want to get rid of biological agents out of the water. This bottle will do it well for you. It is Aquatab's water purification tablets, a 100-pack in the bottle. Very nice. My next item is one of my favorites, a super huge rechargeable LED flashlight. I love this guy because it's nice and big, instead of having a small little flashlight, and it has the tactical head, different modes on it. And again, rechargeable. I love my solar generator in case we have a power outage. I can keep it going. Maybe you're a small flashlight kind of person, to each their own. Actually, I have a few of these as well. $22 for a smaller rechargeable one. Does the same kind of stuff, just smaller. Another favorite item of mine, because it's a two-pack of rechargeable headlamps. Also rechargeable, great. But also has red on there, which is nice because it doesn't get rid of your night vision. $16, beautiful. In yesterday's video, I modeled a different clip-on light. This one's one of my favorites too, for $6.80. It has so many features, including the ability to start fires. Fantastic. In our family, we absolutely love these. A 6-pack of hand-crank solar-powered flashlights. They're great for the kids because they leave the lights on all the time and kill the batteries. You know what? Get cranking, kids. But in reality, what we do is we take them and put them in the windowsill, so that way they keep charged up that way. They are a nice little set. 6 of them, great. And I talk about all the time, a solar generator to keep things going is the way to go. You don't want to fish for batteries during apocalyptic problems. So here is a rechargeable battery set with double and triple A's for $19. And of course, you get lots of extra batteries for it too, to be able to power whatever you need. Not to mention one of our favorite items, my green little certified weather radio. It is hand crank, which is kind of a pain, but it's solar as well. You can keep it charged up. It could even charge your devices for $30. I talk about this all the time. We love our unit and we use it for everything, not simply just emergencies. Perfect items for you. I've linked them below. And of course, if you click on it, Amazon affiliates, we get a little portion of the sale. Your price doesn't change, but you know, we keep Goshen Prepping free for you as much as we can. So when you buy these things, it helps us out. And we say thank you very much for that. But we appreciate you being here, and put in the comments below, what are some items you stocked up on? But you know what? Make sure you check out this first video if you haven't done so already.